Actress Sydney Sweeney is facing mounting legal scrutiny after a high-profile promotional stunt at the Hollywood sign raised questions about trespassing, unauthorized commercial use, and public safety, according to multiple reports familiar with the situation. The incident centers on a late-night filming session connected to the launch of Sweeney's new lingerie venture. During the shoot, Sweeney and members of her team were captured on video climbing the restricted hillside near the iconic Hollywood sign and draping bras across several of the landmark's towering white letters. The footage, which spread rapidly across social media platforms, immediately drew intense public attention and criticism due to the site's protected status and long-standing restrictions. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks. Officials say that while Sweeney's production company did obtain a valid filming permit for the surrounding area, the permit did not authorize anyone to climb the sign, touch it, or use it for commercial promotion. The Hollywood sign, located within Griffith Park, is considered both a cultural monument and a restricted structure, with access limited to authorized personnel only. The Hollywood Chamber of Commerce, which oversees the sign and its intellectual property rights, has reportedly confirmed that no permission was granted for the stunt. Legal experts note that the action could potentially fall under misdemeanor offenses such as criminal trespass or vandalism, even if no permanent damage occurred. Under California law, unauthorized entry into restricted public land and temporary alteration of a protected structure can still trigger penalties, particularly when the act is tied to advertising or profit-driven activity. Authorities are also examining whether the presence of commercial crew and safety personnel escalates the severity of the violation. Although the bras were eventually removed, reports indicate that some remained visible for a short period after filming wrapped, prompting complaint from local residents and hikers in the area. City officials have emphasized that the Hollywood sign has a history of attracting dangerous copycat behavior, and any unauthorized activity increases the risk of injury, rescue operations, and environmental damage to surrounding parkland. Public reaction has been sharply divided. Some fans praised Sweeney for what they viewed as a daring and clever marketing strategy that generated massive online buzz. Others criticized the stunt as reckless and emblematic of celebrity privilege, arguing that ordinary citizens would likely face swift penalties for similar actions. The debate has reignited broader conversations about influencer culture, branding tactics, and whether fame lead to unequal enforcement of public safety laws. Industry insiders say the controversy has also placed a spotlight on the growing trend of celebrity-led business ventures using shock value and viral moments to cut through a crowded marketplace. Sweeney's lingerie brand, reportedly backed by prominent investors, has drawn attention for its aggressive promotional strategy, but the Hollywood sign incident may now complicate its public rollout. As of now, no formal charges have been announced, and law enforcement agencies are still reviewing the matter. Officials say the decision will likely depend on the extent of the violation, whether safety protocols were breached, and if the stunt caused measurable harm or disruption. The Hollywood Chamber of Commerce has not ruled out pursuing civil remedies related to an authorized commercial use of the landmark. Sweeney's representatives have not issued a public statement, and the actress herself has remained silent on the controversy. Known for her breakout roles in Euphoria, The White Lotus, and a string of recent box office successes, Sweeney has built a reputation as both a rising Hollywood star and a savvy entrepreneur. Whether this incident results in fines, charges, or a warning, it has already become one of the most talked-about celebrity legal controversies of the year. For now, the case remains under review, but legal analysts say it could set an important precedent for how far celebrity marketing campaigns can go before crossing legal boundaries at historic and protected public sites.